Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Pisces. For your general energies, career situation and relationship, we are picking few cards. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I'll be picking one card for your oracle guidance today. So we will pick that card from this deck. We will see what are these cards as we proceed into the reading. So this is the card for your oracle guidance, Pisces. So today in your circumstances, Pisces, you are moving away from something. It may be an offer in your career, or it may be something in your personal life, some responsibility, or it may be a decision. So you are trying to avoid that situation, trying to move away. Maybe because you lack interest, or you have made a decision and you want to stand by the choice you made. It may be a choice in your work, or it may be a choice in your personal life in this relationship. And you are changing, you are seeing a change in the way you handle your circumstances, a change in your perception, change in your ideas. And maybe you don't want to continue the same way. You don't want to be like before. So you are trying to change yourself. And maybe you may have people telling you, it may be something to do about your relationship, or it may be a decision you are making in your career. So there is a friend of yours or a family member who is a very reliable person. So this person is advising you on certain things. This person is giving you some valuable suggestions, but you are not listening to it. That may be the reason for this present circumstance you are facing. You are in a difficulty, you are not able to face the reality today. So a lot of stress and anxiety because of your mistakes, because of your past. You are worried, you don't know how things will shape up. So you are not ready to face some difficulty. So you are trying to avoid that circumstance. And you are facing this difficulty because there is something that is happening. Maybe this person you love, they are telling you something. It may be an important communication coming today in your life. It may be a communication, or it may be a news, something that is changing everything you feel, or everything you had planned for, or you have worked towards. And this news is what, this big news is what is affecting everything. It's affecting your decision, it's affecting your mindset. your plans for the future. So you are thinking about your future, what needs to be done. You are rethinking about your future plans, what changes are to be made, and you want clarity. And because of these mistakes, or because of your lack of interest, or because of the way you avoided some circumstance, you want to do things the right way. You are trying to do things the right way today, and you are being very careful, trying to assess your circumstance carefully, and you are taking a lot of precautions. You don't want to see any troubles in your future, see any circumstances going in the wrong way. So you are putting in a lot of efforts. You are trying to be more careful today, trying to be more wise, using your experience and using your lessons, whatever you have learnt today, Pisces. Maybe with you not listening to people who are close to you, with people who are really trustworthy and reliable. That has brought a change in your heart. So you want to do things the right way, and you are changing. This may be your energy or your person's energy today in this love. So let us see what is the oracle guidance for you all today. It's happy in reverse. So you may feel that you are not so happy with whatever is happening today. You may feel a little stressed or anxious. You don't know what will be the future, but no matter what your circumstances are, Pisces, you need to take this day in a very funny way. Just laugh it off. Do not feel stressed or sad, and see your circumstances from a different point of view. When you are happy, no matter what your circumstances are, you are being so positive, and you will attract more happiness in your life. And if you are happy, being grateful for your circumstances, you are going to attract prosperity, happiness, peacefulness, and abundance in your life. So that is the energy here with these cards for you all today, Pisces. So that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Thank you, Pisces. I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.